Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am doing with ninth class maths triangles, and in these triangles 5 problems I have already done. Now sixth problem. Sixth problem figure is this. In triangle, right triangle ABC, right angle at C. This is 90 degrees. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. M is the midpoint of AB means these two are equal. Okay, M is the midpoint of AB. C is joined to M. C is joined to M and produced to D. It is extended up to D such that DM is equal to CM. So DM is equal to CM. They have given. Now, point D is joined to B. Now the question, what is RTP? You need to prove. The first bit is triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. One by one I'll give the proof, children. Let us see the proof. In triangle AMC and triangle BMD, AM is equal to BM. This is given to us. AMC means CM. CM is equal to DM. This is also given to us. And angle AMC is equal to angle BMD. They are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD basing on side angle side property. So, this is proved in this way, hence proved. So, the first bit is proved here, children. Now, the second bit, they are asking us to prove that angle DBC is a right angle. This they are asking to prove. So, what is the proof? See, children, angle A is equal to angle B. They are alternate angles. When you talk about these two are the lines and this is the transversal, they are alternate angles. Angle in triangle AMC and triangle BMD, angle A is equal to angle B. Why? Because triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. Just now we have proved it here. So they are equal. What are they? They are alternate angles. They become the alternate angles for these two lines. Therefore, AC is parallel to BD. When AC is parallel to BD, angle B plus angle C should be equal to 180 degrees. Why? They are interior angles on the same side of transversal. Interior angles on the same side of transversal. Therefore, angle B we don't know, but angle C is 90 degrees, is 180 degrees. Therefore, what is angle B? 180 minus 90. So, angle B, therefore, angle B is 90 degrees. What is angle B? That is nothing but angle DBC is equal to 90 degrees. This is the proof that I have done for the second one. Two more bits are there, children. I have no space. I'll do afterwards. Let us see. Say, the ABC is a right angle triangle, right angled at C, and M is the midpoint of AB, they said. So AM is equal to BM. And C is joined to M and it is produced to D in such a way that CM is equal to MD. And D is extended or it is joined to B. Now the first question, you have to prove that triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. So in these two triangles, these two sides are equal, that is given to us. These two sides are equal, that is given to us. So these angles are equal, they are vertically opposite angles. So two triangles are congruent basing on side angle side property. So this one we have finished. Second one, angle DBC is a right angle, you need to prove. Now here the proof is, see, in these two triangles, angle A is equal to angle B. Why? Because we have proved that these two triangles are congruent. So when these two are equal, they becomes the alternate angles. See, when you talk about these two lines and this becomes a transversal, definitely they are alternate angles. So alternate angles are equal means these two are parallel lines. AC is parallel to BD. If AC is parallel to BD, angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180 because this becomes transversal and these are interior angles on the same side of the transversal. They are supplementary. But angle C is 90 degrees they have given, so angle B is 90 degrees. That we have proved it, children. Angle DBC is 90 degrees. I have proved it. Please note it down. I will do the next two. Now, third bit. Third bit, what you need to prove? Triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. This we have to prove. So, in triangle DBC and triangle ACB, in these two triangles, DB is equal to AC. Why? Because triangle, first I'll write a DB, triangle BMD is congruent to triangle AMC. We have proved that these two triangles are congruent. So definitely these two sides are equal. And angle B is equal to angle C. We have just now proved in the second bit. And BC is equal to BC common. Therefore, triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB basing on side angle side property. Hence, proved. So, this is how we could prove the third bit. And fourth bit is, you need to prove CM is equal to half of AB. CM is equal to half of AB. So actually, we can say that CD is equal to AB. Why? Because triangle BCD is congruent to triangle ABC. So when two triangles are congruent, their corresponding sides are proportional. So half of CD will be equal to half of AB. What is half of CD? It is nothing but CM is equal to half of AB. Why is it? Because CM is equal to DM. This is given to us. So CM is equal to half of AB, hence proved. That is how we have proved the four bits, children. So once again, third bit, triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. We have to prove. So in these two triangles, triangle DBC and triangle ACB, DB is equal to AC. Why? Because when we have proved that these two triangles are congruent, then definitely their corresponding sides are equal. So DB is equal to AC. And angle B is equal to angle C, just now we have proved in the second part. And BC is equal to BC, it is common. So basing on side angle side property, these two triangles are congruent. Next we need to prove CM is equal to half of AB. We know that CD is equal to AB. Why? Because triangle BCD is congruent to triangle ABC. These two triangles are congruent, so corresponding sides are equal. So half of CD is equal to half of AB. What is half of CD? That is CM. CM is equal to half of AB. Why CM? I said because CM is equal to DM. They have given. That is, so half of CD is nothing but these two are equal means half of CD is CM. So please note it down, children. This is sixth problem. Now seventh problem, children. In the adjacent figure, ABCD is a square and triangle EAPB is an equilateral triangle. Prove that triangle APD is congruent to triangle BPC. So, in triangle APD and triangle BPC, AD is equal to BC. Why, children? Because ABCD is a square. In square, all the sides are equal. So, these two are equal. And also, what you can say, AP is equal to BP. Why is it? Because triangle APB is an equilateral triangle. So, they are equal. And angle A is equal to 90 degrees minus 60 degrees. Why is it? This whole thing is 90 degrees and this angle will be 60 degrees because angle here let me write very clearly because 90 degrees angle in the square. So we call it as 90 degrees and 60 degrees angle of an equilateral triangle. Since it is an equilateral triangle, it is 90 minus 60, that is 30 degrees. And similarly, here angle A means, what can I say? Angle A here means angle DAP. I'll write angle DAP. Similarly, angle CBP is also equal to 90 degrees minus 60 degrees, that is 30 degrees. Therefore, angle DAP is equal to angle CBP. So, we'll say that triangle APD is congruent to triangle BPC basing on what is the property? Side angle side property. Hence, proved. This is the proof of this problem, children. The problem says that ABCD is a square and APB is an equilateral triangle. You have to prove that triangle APD is congruent to triangle BPC. So in these two triangles, AD is equal to BC because these are the sides of a square. ABCD is a square, that is why. And what else we can say? AP is equal to PB because these are the sides of equilateral triangle. And angle DAP is nothing but 90 minus 60 degrees, in which 90 degrees is angle in the square and 60 degrees is angle in equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. So the angles measure 60 degrees. So total angle DAP is 30 degrees. Similarly, angle CBP is also 30 degrees. So two triangles are congruent basing on side angle side property. Children, please note it down. This is seventh one. Now in eighth problem, children, in the adjacent figure, in triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of DC, and what is given in triangle ABC, BD is equal to DC. BD is equal to DC. This is given to us, and DE is perpendicular to AB. DF is perpendicular to AC. This is given to us. Now the question, and also what else they have given? DE is equal to DF. Now what is RTP? You need to prove that triangle BED is congruent to triangle CFD. This we have to prove. So in triangle BED and triangle CFD, in these two triangles, BD is equal to CD. This is given to us. Angle E is equal to angle F, 90 degrees, because they are perpendicular, and DE is equal to DF. This is also given to us. Therefore, triangle BED is congruent to triangle CFD basing on RHS property, right angle, hypotenuse, side property. So, hence proved. This is the proof of this problem, children. See, they have given a triangle ABC in which D is the midpoint of BC, DE is perpendicular to AB, DF is perpendicular to AC, DE is equal to DF. Now you need to prove that triangle BED is congruent to triangle CFD. So in these two triangles, BD is equal to CD, they have given to us, and angle E is equal to angle F, 90 degrees, because they are perpendicular. DF is equal to DE is equal to DF, it is given. So basing on RHS property, these two triangles are congruent. Please note it down. Now ninth problem, children. The bisector of an angle of a triangle also bisects the opposite side if the bisector of the angle of a triangle. Let me take a triangle ABC, and AD is bisecting this angle into two equal halves. Then if the bisector of the angle of a triangle also bisects the opposite side, that means these two are equal, then prove that the triangle is an isosceles triangle. So what is given to us? In triangle ABC, AD bisects angle A and BD is equal to DC. What is RTP? You have to prove that it is an isosceles triangle, means AB is equal to AC. When two sides are equal, then that is isosceles triangle. Now let us see the proof here. Now because of this, you are getting two triangles, children. In triangle ABD and triangle ADC. In these two triangles, angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. This is given to us, bisector they said, and BD is equal to DC. This is also given to us, and AD is equal to AD. This is common. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ADC basing on side-side angle. Side-side angle property. Therefore, when two triangles are congruent, AB is equal to AC. If AB is equal to AC, therefore triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Hence, proved. So what is this problem? If the bisector of an angle of a triangle bisects the opposite side, then prove that it is an isosceles triangle. So in triangle ABC, AD is bisecting angle A. Now BD is equal to DC. We need to prove that AB is equal to AC. To prove that AB is equal to AC, if you prove that these two triangles are congruent, these two sides will be automatically equal. So in these two triangles, these two angles are. Now 10th problem, children. In the given figure, triangle ABC, a right angled at angle B, right angled at B, such that angle BCA, what is given to us in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees and angle BCA is equal to 2 times of angle BAC. Angle BAC, angle BCA is 2 times of angle BAC. Now what is RTP? We need to prove that AC is equal to 2 times of BC. AC is equal to 2 times of BC, that we need to prove. Now there is a construction. Here children, they have given hint. That hint we are writing it as construction. What is that hint they have said? Produce CP to D such that BC is equal to BD. So you need to produce CB to D. So you have to produce it to D. So let me consider this as a D such that BC, CB is equal to BD, and you have to join A and D. Always construction should be done in broken lines, children. So first one is produce CB to D such that CB is equal to BD. And second one, join AD. Now go for the proof. See, you have got two triangles. One is in triangle ABC and triangle ABD. In this, AB is equal to AB. These are common sides. These two are common, same side. And CB is equal to BD. This is our construction. And angle ABC is equal to angle ABD. Why? They are nothing but 90 degrees. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. This is D. ABD. Basing on side angle side property, these two are congruent. If these two are congruent, we can say that angle C is equal to angle D. Okay, angle B is equal to angle B, already we know. And also angle CAB is equal to angle DAB. Angle CAB is equal to angle DAB. But what is angle CAB? That is angle BAC or CAB is nothing, is same. That is 2 times of
2 times of angle BAC. Angle CAB, let me write here also for your convenience sake. Anyway, it is same channel. Angle BAC is equal to, I'll write this also as angle BAD only. Angle BAD. So 2 times of angle BAC will be equal to what, children? Also what they have given, 2 times of angle BAC is equal to angle BCA. 2 times of angle BAC means what? This can be written as angle BAC plus angle BAD. This is D. Angle BAD is equal to angle BCA. That means what? Angle BAC plus angle BAD is nothing but angle A is equal to angle C. Isn't it? Angle BAC plus angle BAD is total angle A. So, when we have proved that angle A is equal to angle C, we got angle A, this angle A is equal to angle C, and also angle C is equal to angle D. So, if you consider this as the first equation, this as the second equation, from 1 and 2, we get angle A is equal to angle C is equal to angle D. Angle A is equal to angle C is equal to angle D. So, when you talk about triangle, in triangle ACD, in triangle ACD, angle A is equal to angle C is equal to angle D, we have just now proved. Therefore, triangle ACD is an equilateral triangle. If it is an equilateral triangle, we can say that AC is equal to CD. That means, what is this CD? CD is nothing but BC plus BD. It is nothing but BC plus BD. This is nothing but BC plus BC. Why? Because BC is equal to BD. This is our construction. So this is 2 times of BC. Therefore, AC is equal to 2 times of BC. This is the proof, children. So let me explain you once again. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees they have given, and angle BCA is equal to 2 times of angle BAC. This is given to us, and they are asking you to prove that AC is equal to 2 times of BC. Here you have a construction that extend CB to D such that CB is equal to BD. Now, in this case, if you join AD, you have got 2 triangles. In these 2 triangles, AB is equal to AB common and BC is equal to BD, our construction. Angle ABC is equal to angle ABD. They are equal 90 degrees. So, 2 triangles are congruent based on side angle side property. When these 2 triangles are congruent, angle C is equal to angle D. Let us consider it as the equation 1. This is first equation. Now, also what they have given, angle BAC is equal to, when these 2 triangles are congruent, angle BAC is equal to angle BAD, because these 2 triangles are congruent. Now, they have given that angle 2 times of angle BAC is equal to angle BCA. 2 times of angle BAC means I can write these 2 times. Angle BAC plus angle BAD is equal to angle BCA. Angle BAC plus angle BAD is nothing but angle A. This total angle A is equal to angle C. That is second one equation. So from 1 and 2 we will get that angle A is equal to angle C is equal to angle D. So in triangle ACD, angle A is equal to angle C is equal to angle D. It is proved just now. So we will say that triangle ACD is an equilateral triangle. In that case, AC is equal to CD. What is CD? BC plus BD. But It is nothing but BC plus BC I can write because BC is equal to BD. That is 2 times of BC. So AC is equal to 2 times of BC is the proof, children. Please note it down. With this, I have completed today's topic. In the next class, I will be doing the next part.